Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to speak about something deeply personal and it's universal relevant. Financial independence, self-worth, and the kind of partnership that honors both. I stand before you as a woman who has made a promise to herself. I will always earn my own money, not because I have to, not because I lack support, and not because there is not someone in my life willing to provide. I choose to be financially independent because it is a fundamental part of who I am. Many people misunderstand what independence really means. They often assume that when a woman says she wants to stand on her own feet, she is rejecting support, rejecting partnership, or rejecting the idea of a man being involved. But that is not a truth at all. Independence does not mean isolation. It does not mean arrogance. It does not mean competition. For me, independence is simply my way of honoring myself. Even if I have a partner who can provide me everything comfort, stability, a beautiful life I still choose to earn not because of his contributions are not enough, not because I don't trust him, not because I want to prove something, but because earning my own money is how I feel grounded. It's how I maintain my sense of self. It's how I protect my freedom. Not freedom from someone, but freedom within myself. There is a certain confidence that comes from knowing you can sustain your own life. There is a pride is building something with your own hands. And there is a unique peace in never having to shrink, bend, or compromise your identity for the sake of security. My independence has nothing to do with reducing the man I love and making him feel less. In fact, a truly secure man embarrasses a woman who is strong, capable, and driven. A strong man does not see her independence as a threat, he sees it as a reflection of her character. But let me clear about one thing. I am not interested in a partnership where I am expecting to carry an entire weight financially, emotionally, any other way and still call it equality. Partnership means balance. It means two people bringing value, strength, and effort to the table. I am not looking for a man who has less ambitions than I do. I am not attracted to a dynamic where I am forced to dim my light just to maintain harmony. Being on the same level, mentally, emotionally, and yes, financially, matters to me. Not because money defines love, but because ambition defines characters. When two people stand strong individually, they build something powerful together. When both partners contribute, support each other, and push each others to rise, the relationships becomes unshakable. I want a partnership where we can celebrate each other's wins, where we inspire each others, where we lift each other up, not where one person becomes to entire foundation while the other becomes dependent. Dependence is not love, it's limitation. And I refuse to limit it, not by society, not by expectations, and not by a relationship. A woman earning her own money is not rejecting femininity. She is embarrassing her power. A woman value her independence is not questioning her man abilities. She is honoring her own potential. In my words, and I have to say, all of you, all of the girls in the world, be financially independent. No matter who you are, who is your husband, father, brother. And according to me, I will continue to earn, to grow, to create, to succeed. Not for a title, not for approval, not for pride, but because it is the trust expressions of who I am.